Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the simple steps to activate your Xbox gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Xbox gift card and make sure you have the 25-character redemption code ready. For physical cards, this code is usually on the back under a scratch-off panel. For e-gift cards, the code will be in the email you received. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Store or Xbox console. On your Xbox console, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Then select Store. On a PC or mobile device, open the Microsoft Store or visit account.microsoft.com/redeem. Make sure you are signed in with the account where you want to redeem the gift card. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Select Redeem Code on your Xbox console or in the Microsoft Store. Enter your 25-character code carefully and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the redemption. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your gift card is successfully redeemed, you will see the updated balance in your Microsoft account. Your Xbox gift card is now ready to use for games, subscriptions, and other digital content. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Xbox gift card balance at checkout. Simply select your Microsoft account balance as the payment method when purchasing games, add-ons, or subscriptions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.